Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here with me. Today I will be doing a hair dryer blowout. I am going to use different colors from Liquitex: titanium white, purple, lime green, cadmium yellow, ultramarine blue, turquoise blue, and cadmium red. How I mix my paint is by using 1 scoop of paint to 2 scoops of Floetrol, and then add water to mix it to a nice and flowy consistency. Let's begin. I am going to use white for my base. I'm going to torch it briefly to burst the air bubbles. I am going to start by adding purple. Next is lime green. Then yellow, next is marine blue, now I'll be adding turquoise blue. I have never made something like this before. This idea just came up in my head, so hopefully it comes out good. I am going to add red, please remember to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. That's a great way to support my channel. I am going to use the blow dryer to combine all my colors to create a beautiful design. I'm just going to use the spatula to make the edges look nicer.